Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about how to maintain and clean chain on Himalayan. So look at the bike. It's been sitting idle for last like 3 weeks because I was not well. So today I'll be showing that how I do the cleaning of the chain and maintain it. I'm sure that you all must have seen so many videos online that how it is to be done, but this is the way I do it. So before we start, let me just quickly wash the bike with normal water just to clean out of any loose debris.
A few moments later.
Alright, the bike is washed and I've removed all the debris which can be removed. Now let's proceed further. These two bolts needs to be removed. First, we need to remove the chain guard using the Allen key. This is also needs to be cleaned as this gets lot of muck. Okay, chain guard is off. Let's check the surface of the chain. Yeah, dirty as expected. As for the chain guard, this is the condition of it. A lot of oil and dirt. Let's keep it aside. I will clean it later. Now coming to the front sprocket, there are two bolts. These two needs to be removed to open the cover using the 8 mm bit. Usually I clean my chain 1500 kilometers and the front sprocket every 3000 kilometers. So it's like an alternate times. So as I have already cleared it the last time, I don't think so much debris will be there inside. Let's see. Well, it looks better, not that dirty. Now coming to the cleaning part. I'm using diesel to clean the chain. Why diesel? It's cheap and efficient and easy to get from anywhere. Now I will spray some diesel on the chain thoroughly using this makeshift bottle. It's a thumbs up bottle with a Colin spray gun. See, already diesel has started working and loosening up the dirt. Same for the front sprocket as well. Just spray thoroughly. Once done with the spraying, leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes to allow diesel to loosen rest of the stubborn dirt. So it will be easy to us to clean later on using the brush. Now I have sprayed little diesel on this brush and moving the tire with other hand to clean the chain thoroughly. I've seen people like starting their engine and putting the bike on the first gear to roll the tire. that is a bit risky thing to do for obvious reasons, because bike might fall down or something might happen. The other end of this brush is better to clean rear and front sprockets. After cleaning the chain with brush, just wipe the chain with a clean rag to get maximum diesel and debris out. Now I'll just wash the bike with soap and water. Then again I'll wipe the chain again with a clean rag one more time. Now bike has been washed and also front sprocket cover, chain guard has been cleaned and dried. We are almost done. Now just putting up the front sprocket cover back again. And the chain guard back again. For lubing the chain, I use motul spray, but I'm not applying it right now. I will leave the bike like this for some time so that any drops which I have missed in cleaning will be dried out. I usually spray the lube in the evening and let it soak overnight before riding anywhere so that it doesn't spray all over the tire. So that's it guys, that was the entire procedure which I followed to clean the bike's chain. Please like and comment if you think it was useful. See you in the next one. Thank you.